Well, if your significant other is keeping you up at night by sharing the sounds of a freight train, a chainsaw, or perhaps a large bear, we have some news that will be music to your ears. An exciting new laser treatment for snoring is now being offered right here in the Tri-Cities at Changes Medical Spa. Dr. Jackson is here now with more on this technology and how it is working. And Dr. Jackson, always good to have you back on the show.
Good to be here.
Well, I think for a lot of people who have been dealing with this for years after years are saying, wow, something new, something different.
Right. This is the only non-invasive, non-surgical laser treatment that's able to do this. And as far as I can tell, I did a search last night. We're the only providers in the region between Washington, Atlanta, Charlotte, and Nashville.
Wow.
But it's been available for about a year. Again, there's no surgery, doesn't require anesthesia, there's minimal discomfort. The treatment's done in our office, and it takes generally a little less than 30 minutes. 3 treatments for best results, spaced about a month apart.
And the folks that have had this done are really raving about the results.
Right. It's extremely effective for snoring. It generally works very well also for mild sleep apnea. We don't recommend it for moderate to severe sleep apnea. The gold standard treatment for that continues to be continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP. But for people who won't use a CPAP, it's at least something of an option. Better than nothing, and it can be used with other treatments such as mandibular advancement devices. We don't do those. Those are made by trained dentists, but they're also partly effective for severe sleep apnea. But this is a great treatment for snoring and mild sleep apnea.
And it's called NightLase. Explain sort of how this technology works.
Sure. The way it works is that it's done with a Photona laser. That's the oldest medical laser company in the world. And it uses a special laser wavelength. They have a patented process. It doesn't penetrate the mucosa, but it heats little spots, and we try to treat the entire area between the sides of the back of the mouth, the soft palate, the uvula, the part that hangs down in the center, and it shrinks the tissues. And stimulates development of natural elastin and collagen that's gradually lost as we get older, and it helps open up the airway and just allow better breathing. Now, if a person has snoring or apnea due to nasal obstruction, it's not going to treat that because this treatment focuses on the back of the throat. But that's where it is for most people, and generally people are able to tell if their nose is blocked.
Interesting. And I talked to one patient that had this, said they really enjoyed the results and said that it wasn't a painful process.
Right. And it's we do expect that many people will have a mild sore throat for a few days after the treatment. That's kind of an indication that we did our job right, but there shouldn't be any severe symptoms at all.
Are they going to start to see the results after that first treatment?
Generally, there is immediate improvement, and it progressively improves with the course of the treatments. Some people may not, like many treatments, it doesn't last for the rest of one's life, and a person may need a touch-up treatment in 1 to 2 years. But there will be some residual effect from the studies that have been done that is very lasting.
So 3 treatments initially, about a month apart.
Right.
And then maybe once a year or something for just a little maintenance if you need it.
Depending on the person's individual results. And weight management will help, avoidance of alcohol before bedtime and other things that would be helpful in any situation, and will also help this be more effective.
I can see that that would be very exciting news for a lot of people. And you guys have an open house coming up, which is a perfect opportunity to learn a little bit more.
Right, and that's going to be Thursday, October 6th from 6 to 9, and we're going to have the best specials, some of which are the best we've ever had, and people can go onto our Facebook page and get further details, or just call our office.
And I know you guys are going to make it fun. Everything you do over there is a lot of fun. We'll invite everybody to come on out. A great opportunity to learn more about this particular procedure, as well as all of the other things that they offer right there at Changes Medical Spa in Boones Creek. There is the phone number. Check out their website as well for more information. Thank you.
Thank you, Aiden.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by